Do you know? One of you?
No.
You don't know before?
No.
Okay, I will let you know. Listening is one of the basic skill in learning English. Nah, in learning English we have 4 basic skill. First is speaking. So the second is listening. So there is writing and reading. Okay. So now we will study about listening. One of the basic skill in English learning. Okay. Now, before I let you know what is our title in listening, I will play one of the sound that will let you know what is our title today. Okay, have you heard the sound?
Yes.
What type of sound that you just now hear? The ringing? The ringing? Okay, good. The ringing phone. Now, today we will discuss about the telephone conversation. Do you ever do the telephone conversation before? Okay, so usually when you do the telephone conversation, what you say to your friend or what you say to your parents? What usually? What do you ask or what you say when the beginning of telephone? When the beginning of calling?
Say salam.
Say salam. Okay, another of say salam.
How are you?
Say hello. How are you? Ask about the condition. So how if you get the call from someone, from your friend or from your parents, usually what you answer? When you call person, you ask about the condition. How are you? So, if you get the call from your friend, so what do you answer to them?
Yes,
Okay, yes, I'm fine, thank you. Today, I will play for you the sound of telephone conversation one time. So then you may listen it well, so you may understand it. Okay? Hello? Hello. Can I speak to Sally, please? Speaking. Hi, this is Hannah. Hi, Hannah. What's up? Kate is sick. That's too bad. How about going to see her? That's a good idea. What time shall we? How about at 2? Sounds good. Let's meet at the bus stop. Okay, see you then. How are you? I'm okay now. I can go to school on Monday. Good. Kate, here's an apple pie. I made it for you. Thanks. I like apple pie. Okay, have you heard the sound of telephone conversation?
Yes.
So, do you get the topic of the telephone conversation? So, what did you understand from the topic just now? What did you get just now from the conversation? Who is the guest inside the audio? Who are we? Hannah. then you may listen it correctly. Okay?
Hello? Hello, can I speak to Sally, please? Speaking. Hi, this is Hannah. Hi, Hannah. What's up? Kate is sick. That's too bad. How about going to see her? That's a good idea. What time shall we meet? How about at 2? Sounds good. Let's meet at the bus stop. Okay, see you then. How are you? I'm okay now. I can go to school on Monday. Good. Kate, here's an apple pie. I made it for you. Thanks. I like apple pie. Let's role play.
Okay. For the second chance, have you heard the sound clearly?
Yes.
Okay, I will ask you, who is the cast inside the audio?
Sally and
Sally,
Hannah.
Hannah, and who is the singers? Okay, there are Sally's,
Hannah and Kate.
Okay, so what is the topic inside the telephone conversation?
Hannah and Sally want go to school.
Who want go to school?
Sally and Hannah.
Sally and Hannah want go to
School.
Mira? Okay, good. Kate is sick, so then Hannah and Sally want go to Kate's house and give her apple pie. Okay. Now, did you hear before at the beginning of telephone conversation? Hello, can I speak to Sally? So Sally answered, speaking. Who knows what the meaning of speaking? Sally. So Sally said speaking. Nah, so if someone say to you, can I speak to Nera? So Nera usually say, yes, I am, like that. But Sally just answered speaking. Now, it means that Sally is speaking now. Understand? Okay, so who knows what the meaning what's up? What's up? Okay, good. What's up? This is usually used when we make the conversation with our friend. A casual conversation. Now, usually this is we ask about their condition. What's up? How about you? Like that. So, for the last vocabulary, who knows what the meaning of sounds good? Sounds good. Who listen just now from the audio sounds good? Do you listen it? Okay. Who knows what the meaning sounds good? No. What? Great idea. Okay, good. Sounds good. Usually we use for agreement. If we agree for some idea, so we say sounds good. That's good. Like that. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now you may write on your notebook what did you get from the topic. Who is the case? So what is the topic inside the audio? You make a little conclusion, little summary from the audio. Understand? Okay, now do it now. beginning, I will read you the attendance sheet and from all the name you may say present. Raya Jauza,
Present.
Fauzia Mumtaza,
Present.
Medina Amira,
Present.
Abnera Kalisa, Aisyah, Salma Maulidina,
Present.
Adinda Safa,
Present.
Lailatul Syafika, Najwa Fika,
Present.
Okay, have you completed your written?
Yes.
Okay, now I want one of you read your written. Okay, for our sister Medina, you may read your written.
This is Hannah, Kate, and Sally. The conversation is the cake is sick, so Hannah and Sally walk into the room and give her some advice. The meaning of my song is who are you? So, sound good to me is a great idea. Speaking is the main time speaking now.
Okay, good. Now we have complete our study today. So before we close our study, now I want one of you to tell me the story about the audio just now. For our sister Aisyah. Never mind. In the conversation, with Ketsu and Sally and Hannah all go to the cat house and bring apple pie go to Kate's house. Want to go